How to promote your YouTube channel on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to promote your YouTube channel on your TikTok. Let's just get started. First thing first, you need to copy your YouTube channel's link. Go ahead and open up YouTube application. Once you open it up, make sure you're logged in and find the U section at the bottom right. From there, tap on View Channel, and you can find the About section of your video. If not, just tap on the three dots at the top right and tap on Share. Then tap on Copy Link. Once you've copied your channel link, go over to TikTok and head over to the bottom right corner on your profile page. Once you head over to your profile, what you need to do is add your YouTube link to your bio. You can do that by going over to Edit Bio. Once you tap on Edit, you can go to Links, tap on it, and from Website on this, you're going to have to tap on Get Started and register for a business account. Tap on Get Started by checking the box. Then provide your business name. Provide all of these details if you have it. If not, you can just go back here. You can just paste the link on your bio. So just go and delete whatever here is. And I'll go over to paste the link, tap on save at the top right. And then you can make a TikTok asking people to visit your link on your bio. And you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.